Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change your TikTok shop name, so let's get right into it. But before I do, please let me explain what TikTok shop actually is. TikTok shop is a new service through the TikTok app, which allows you to either make purchases through the TikTok app and also sell your own merch and any other products that you might have. This is a replacement for the previous TikTok storefront that has closed down due to the partnership with Shopify being over, and now TikTok Shop is taking its place. And yeah, without further ado, let me go into how to change it. First of all, you'll have to excuse me since TikTok Shop is not available in my region yet, so I need to use this article that I have found. This article is also originally in Indonesian, so you will have to excuse any grammatical errors or any names or any words that are foreign, since this is a translated article. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. First and foremost, to change your shop name on TikTok, first and foremost, you need to have approved account. You need to have a seller account through which you sell your own merch, which is logical, of course. And once you have that, you have access to the TikTok Seller Center. What you want to do to actually change your name is these steps right here. First and foremost, enter the Seller Center through the desktop and then log into your account. Once you are in your account, this is the screen you will see. As I said, this is an Indonesian article, so I'll do my best to translate it to you guys. I mean, I'm not Indonesian, I don't know Indonesian, however, I'll try to translate it through the context here. But yeah, at the left hand side, you have this long list of options, one of which is My Account, which is this option here with the icon of a person. Then you want to, under that, select Seller Profile, which is the first option that pops up. Once you're here, you will get a screen similar, or if not the same as this. You want to click the second option from the left, which is Seller Information. Once you're there, you will have a seller code and a name of your store. And once you're here, you have this button next to your name, which is, in English, it will say change. And once you change that, your TikTok shop will have a new name, which you can use to rebrand your business. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.